Front Yard Landscaping Ideas 2026. 10 Modern Transformations Under £500. I want you to do something before this video even starts. Walk to your front window. Look outside. Look at your front yard the way a stranger would see it for the very first time. Now be honest with me. Does it look like nobody lives there? Or does it look like someone with taste lives there? Because here's the truth. Nobody tells you about front yards. Your front yard isn't decoration. It's your house's handshake. It's the first 5 seconds of an impression that either says, "Welcome," or says nothing at all. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. Not with a landscaper, not with a 5-figure renovation, with your own 2 hands, a weekend or two, and a budget under £500. 10 front yard transformations. Every single one modern. Every single one sophisticated. Every single one designed to make your house look like it belongs on a design blog, not a real estate listing that's been sitting for 6 months. Before we start, comment below and tell me one word. Just one word that describes your front yard right now. Tired? Boring? Blank? Dated? I want to know what we're working with, because by the end of this video, I want you to comment that same word again, followed by the word fixed. If you're new here, welcome to No Fail Garden. This channel exists for one reason: to prove that beautiful, luxury-feeling outdoor spaces don't require a luxury budget. They require intention. Subscribe, because this list is about to change how you see your own front door. Let's get into it. 1. The gravel and Corten edging entrance. Minimalist, architectural, effortlessly modern. This is the fastest facelift on the entire list, and it might be the most dramatic. Rip out the tired grass strip along your front path. Replace it with a bed of pale limestone or charcoal gravel, edged crisply with slim Corten steel edging strips. The same material we've used before on this channel, prized for that rich rust patina it develops over time. Straight lines. Clean geometry. No curves, no clutter. Add 3 or 5 architectural plants, box balls, ornamental grasses, or a single multi-stem amelanchier, placed with intention, not scattered. The effect is instant. Gravel plus steel edging plus considered planting reads as expensive, architectural, and calm. It's the front yard equivalent of a perfectly tailored coat. Budget: £150, £300. Tell me, is your front yard currently more grass strip or more gravel and steel? Comment your answer. 2. The rendered planter wall. Low, clean, sculptural, like your house grew its own furniture. This build gives your entrance a sense of structure it's probably missing. Build a simple low wall, breeze block or timber framed, along one side of your path or beneath your front window. Render it smooth in a soft lime wash white, warm grage, or deep charcoal. No pattern, no texture, just a clean rendered plane. Fill it with a single, deliberate planting scheme, trailing rosemary spilling over the edge, or a tight, disciplined row of lavender. One plant type, repeated, precise. The rendered planter does something most front yards are missing entirely. It gives the eye a resting place, a single, confident shape instead of visual noise. Budget: £200, £450. If you built this in white or in charcoal, which one? Drop your answer below, because I genuinely can't decide either. 3. The black-framed house number and lighting moment. Small change, enormous perception shift. Sometimes luxury isn't about what you add, it's about what you upgrade. Replace your house numbers with a single oversized matte black sign-written number or a slim brass plaque. Add 2 symmetrical black wall-mounted lanterns either side of your front door, and a single low, uplighting spike aimed at your house facade or a key tree. That's it. That's the entire build. But here's what happens at night. Your entrance stops being a doorway and becomes a destination. Architects call this threshold lighting. It's the exact same psychological trick five-star hotels use on their entrances, and it costs you an afternoon and a screwdriver. Budget: £80, £200. This is the cheapest build on today's list, and possibly the highest impact per pound spent. Agree or disagree? Comment below. 4. The vertical timber slat screen. Privacy for your bins, beauty for your street. Every front yard has one ugly truth it's hiding. Usually bins, a meter box, or a bit of unsightly utility clutter. Build a simple vertical slat screen from stained or oiled timber battens, spaced with small consistent gaps, fixed to a basic timber frame. Stand it in front of whatever you're hiding. Paint or stain it a deep charcoal, black, or warm walnut tone. Add one plant at its base, an evergreen fern or a trailing ivy softening the bottom edge. And what was once an eyesore becomes a deliberate design feature. This is the build that makes visitors ask, "Wait, where do you keep your bins?" Because they genuinely can't tell anymore. Budget: £100, £250. Comment screen if you've got something in your front yard that needs hiding immediately. 5. The single statement tree. The most powerful, most underrated front yard transformation there is. I want you to really hear this one, because it's the build most people skip, and it shouldn't be skipped. One multi-stem tree, planted with intention in the most visible spot in your front yard. Amelanchier for spring blossom and autumn color. Acer for elegant, sculptural form. Olive for Mediterranean sophistication, if your climate allows it. A single, well-chosen tree does something no amount of furniture or paving can do. It gives your front yard scale, maturity, and a sense of time having passed, even on the day you plant it. Underplant it with a simple ring of low grasses or spring bulbs, and you've created a moment. A single, unforgettable focal point that every single person walking past will look at. Budget: £60 - £200. Depending on tree size. Which tree would you plant? Amelanchier, Acer, or Olive? Tell me your climate, and I'll tell you in the comments which one I'd choose for you. 6. The permeable paver pathway. Modern, practical, quietly luxurious underfoot. Your front path says more about your house than you realize. Cracked concrete says neglect. A precise paver path says somebody cares. Lay large format porcelain or concrete pavers in a clean, consistent line from gate to door, with narrow planted or gravel joints between each paver instead of solid grouting. This permeable detail isn't just beautiful. It lets rainwater drain naturally instead of pooling. Keep the paver tone neutral, soft gray, warm sand, or charcoal, and the effect is immediate. Your front path stops looking functional and starts looking designed. Budget: £250 - £500. For a modest path length, DIY labor. This is the build with the biggest before and after gap on today's list. Would this change your entrance? Let me know below. 7. The cottage modern hedge line. Soft structure. The look every design magazine is chasing right now. If gravel and steel felt too stark for your taste, this build is your answer. Plant a low, clipped box or Japanese holly hedge in a single clean line along your front boundary or path edge, somewhere between 30 and 50 centimeters high. Keep it tight. Keep it precise. This one small green line does more to elevate a front yard than almost anything else on this list. It softens hard edges. It frames your path. It gives your whole front yard the sense of having been designed rather than simply mown. Budget, £80 minus 220. Depending on hedge length and plant size. Comment hedge if structured greenery is more your style than steel and stone. 8. The sculptural grass bed. Movement, texture, and drama, for less than you'd spend on a night out. This build brings something most front yards are completely missing: movement. Replace a section of lawn or bare border with a bed of ornamental grasses, Stipa tenuissima, miscanthus, or pennisetum, planted in loose, generous drifts. Add 2 or 3 large rounded stones or a single sculptural boulder nestled among them. When the wind moves through this bed, your front yard moves with it. It catches the eye of every single person who walks past, not because it's loud, but because it's alive. In a way, a static flower bed never will be. Budget, £70 minus £180. This is the build for anyone whose front yard currently has absolutely zero personality. Comment if that's you. 9. The painted front door and planter pairing. The single highest wow per pound build on this entire list. Paint your front door. One bold considered color: deep forest green, ink black, burnt terracotta, or ochre. Then flank it with 2 matching oversized planters: matte black, aged terracotta, or pale concrete, filled with a single plant type repeated on both sides. Symmetry is the entire secret here. Matching planters either side of a bold door reads as instantly intentional, instantly expensive. This is a weekend build. Genuinely. One Saturday, and your entrance is transformed. Budget, £60 minus £180. What color would you paint your door? I want actual color names in the comments. I read every single one. 10. The full front yard reset. Gravel, steel, and 1 hero plant. Everything on this list distilled into one complete build. And here it is, build number 10. The one I've saved for last, because it brings together everything we've covered today into a single cohesive front yard. Gravel base, Corten steel edging, a clean paver path, one statement multi-stem tree as the hero, a low-structured hedge line framing the boundary, and a beautifully painted front door as the finishing note. Built in careful stages, over one weekend, or spread across a season, this is a complete front yard transformation for genuinely under £500. No landscaper, no debt, just intention, patience, and the willingness to pick up a spade. This is what luxury actually looks like when you strip away the price tag. Not expense. Intention. Budget, £350 for the complete transformation. Of everything on today's list, is this the one? The full reset? Tell me honestly. Closing. 10 front yard transformations. Every single one under £500. Every single one designed to make your house the one people slow down to look at. Let me give you the full list, one final time. 1. Gravel and Corten edging entrance. 2. Rendered planter wall. 3. Black framed numbers and lighting. 4. Vertical timber slat screen. 5. The single statement tree. And 6. Permeable paver pathway. 7. Cottage modern hedge line. 8. Sculptural grass bed. 9. Painted door and planter pairing. 10. The full front yard reset. Here's what I want you to do right now, before you close this video. Go to the comments and tell me your number. 1 through 10. The build that's yours. Tell me your budget, tell me your climate, and I promise, I will personally reply and help you plan it. Because that word you commented at the start of this video? Tired, boring, blank, dated. I want to see that word again in your comment, this time with fixed right next to it. That's the whole point of this channel. Not inspiration you scroll past, transformation you actually build. If this video changed the way you see your own front door, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm to put this in front of the next person whose front yard needs this exact push. And if you're not subscribed to No Fail Garden yet, this is genuinely the moment. Every week, this channel turns, "Is that even possible on a budget?" into, "Yes, and here's exactly how." Subscribe, turn on notifications, because next week's video might just be your backyard's turn. Under £500, 10 transformations, 0 excuses. Go build something extraordinary. Until next time.